Howdy folks, and welcome back to the Dieselbird channel. Today we're going to be installing our Mikuni carburetor. This isn't the genuine one, this is the clone, the $30 one on Amazon. And then we've also got these LED bulbs here that we're going to install. Also $30 on Amazon. I'll put the link for both of these in the description. This kit is nice enough to come with 2 bulbs in case anything goes wrong during installation. And I'll have an extra in the future whenever this one decides to burn out. And they were also nice enough to include a rebuild kit for the Carb as well. So let's go ahead and pull the bike apart, take that old Carb off. Still waiting on the Mikuni pilot jets to come in the mail. I ordered a 25, a 27.5, and a 30. We're probably going to start with the 25 pilot and then I think a 110 main, because that's what I'm running in the stock Carb right now, and it seems to be working out okay. So let's go ahead and pull that bad boy off. Okay guys, we got the stock Carb off. Should give you a little side-by-side comparison. The size to me looks about the same. It's about a standard 30mm Carb, just like it says. But one thing that I noticed, if you look on the other side, you can see this casting here is kind of rough, and it's also a bit thicker up towards the top here, whereas this one is nice and smooth all the way around. I doubt we'll notice any huge difference with that, if at all, but I'm sure it'll help just a little bit, And here we have the slide out of this Carb. Before we go ahead and install that on the bike, we're going to take the needle out and put it in the middle clip slot just to see how that works out. I've read a lot of people on the China Riders forums saying they had success in the middle slot, and if that doesn't work, we'll move down to the next one. So let's go ahead and install this slide onto the throttle cable, take the old slide off, and then I'm going to pull the bowl off of each of these Carbs, take the 110 main out of here, and put it into here. And as I said, I ordered a pilot jet kit for it. I have a 25, a 27.5, and a 30 on the way. They aren't quite here yet, so we're just going to run it stock and see how it works out. Probably going to be on the lean side, but once we get those jets, we're going to go ahead and throw those in and see how it works. Guys, we've got the bowl off of both the carburetors here, and it looks like this Mikuni comes stock with a 100. I don't know how well you can see that. And then the pilot jet is a 40. So we're going to go ahead and pull that 100 out and swap it out for the 110 out of our stock Carb and see how it works. Alright guys, we've got the Mikuni Carb all installed. Before we go ahead and start the bike up and show you that, first I'm going to turn the bike on. Just turn the light on really, so that way you guys can get a little bit of an idea how bright the stock bulb is. I'm sure you all know that have this bike, it is not very bright. If you've ridden at night at all, you probably weren't able to see whenever traffic was coming. But now we're going to go ahead and pull the headlight assembly off. It looks like there's just 2 screws that hold it in. We're going to change that bulb out. Just showed you what I had to do to get this headlight to fit in there and get the lock mechanism installed on it. So you can see there I cut a section out of the locking mechanism, the little plastic piece there, just big enough for it to slip over the bulb here onto that back side where it sits so it can lock it into place. And it looks like it's set in there perfect. We're going to go ahead and reinstall the headlamp assembly now and test it out, see how much brighter it is. Alrighty guys, and as you can see there is a huge difference with this light here. I'd say it's at least 5 times brighter than that stock bulb for sure. So bright you can't even see it. That looks like I might need to adjust the bulb just a little bit. Let's try it. That's on the low beam right there. Let's try high beam. Hard to tell a difference. It looks like it just adds that 3rd LED strip in. That's what I'd guess. But we're going to do some testing at night. I'll post a video one of these days once I get some riding in at nighttime so you can see how it really works. But I think I'm going to be just happy with this bulb. It's really, really bright. So now let's go ahead and open the garage up and we're going to start the bike up and see how it runs with the new carb. Okay guys, we're almost ready to go ahead and fire the bike up. First I'm just going to show you, I couldn't find anything online as to what to do with this little vent line here because there's nowhere to put it on the Mikuni. So I just stuck a screw in it and we're going to look into deleting that whole system later on, but we're going to see how just that screw in there works for now. Hopefully we don't have any issues. We've got the fuel mixture screw about 1.5 turns out from fully seated. And then we're going to go ahead and start it up, adjust the idle, and work from there. We'll go grab a screwdriver real quick so we can adjust that. Like this one. There we go. Looks like she fired up pretty easily. It's actually kind of nice. Go ahead and turn the idle up just a little bit. Like that. Love how it looks with that new headlight. Now we're not really going to be able to tell too much today how this all works out for us. because it's starting to get pretty late. I got stuff I need to take care of at home, so we're not really gonna get to ride it too much more tonight. But tomorrow, me and my buddies are gonna be going camping, so I'll be taking the camera with us and documenting all of that so you can see how the bike performs. Thank you guys for watching this install video, and we will see you next time.